Hi, I'm MS21, and we're back with another Nadeko tutorial. It's been 3 years since the last one. A fair bit of things have changed since then. So now we're gonna go back into the bot and see how to set it up now in its modern days. Down in the description I'll have the link to where to download the bot and the guides and everything else. So when you will download the bot, you will get this file right here called setup. You want to go ahead and launch said file. Want to install. This will open up, run anyway. An administration prompt will open up that now you can't see. I'm sorry about that. Here we go. Okay. When this is done, you want to check for any updates, and if there's no updates, then you want to go ahead and install the bot itself using the button right below it. When that is done, you will get another window where you will choose the installation folder of the bot. You will do yes. Everything else. When this is done, you will be able to choose between opening up the setup guide and opening up the credentials file. I don't need to open up the setup, so I will only open up the credentials because we will need credentials. So, when this is done downloading the bot, if you need to use the music portion of the bot, if you think you will use the bot to play music and everything else around music, you will need to install these two right here and this too. You will have to click on these three buttons anyway, so go ahead and click all of these three, let them install, let them do their thing. When those are done, we can go forward in tutorial. So just like last time, in the credentials bot file we need a client ID and a token and an owner ID and everything else. What you want to do is go to the Discord developer portal, and which will be linked in the guide, and you want to make a new application. We will call it alright, and now you will want to create it. Okay, so this will be the page. Looks a bit like the other one, not entirely, but what we will need from said page is the following: client ID and the token. So what we want to do is go down here where it says bot and build a bot by clicking on add bot. Alright, the bot will obviously need an icon, so go ahead and choose one when you have one. I don't think I have one. So let's do this one. Okay. I suggest turning this off if your bot is not gonna be public. So go ahead and do this. Okay. So when you will have this done, you will have to reveal the token here, copy it, and put it over here. Then you want to go in general information, go at the client ID and paste it right here. Then for the owner ID, what I suggest doing is turning on Discord in developer mode. How you do that is you go in, oh man, now I forgot. Oh man, was that appearance? Yep, appearance, developer mode, turn that on. When that is on, you can easily right click on your name and do copy ID. You want to do that, and then you want to paste that right, let's do over here. Okay. And then you want to save that. Now, this bot, by what we know in the last video, this bot is now linked to here. The bot will now go through here. We gotta still add this. There we go. Okay. So when the bot is all ready, what you want to do is in the Windows guide, I believe, there will be a link you can make to invite the bot in your own server, which is what you want to do to see if the bot actually works. So you will copy said link, but in the link you will have where it says client ID in the URL. It'll be this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You want to replace that with your bot's client ID right here. You go and click enter, and you will be redirected to the page where to add the bot to your server. So you want to choose your server right here and authorize it. Give it the captcha, and boom, perfect. And as we will be able to see here, the bot has successfully entered the server. Now, the bot is, hopefully everything has gone well. This is all set up, everything is fine. So let's go ahead and launch the bot and see if that works. Alright, the bot now is online, and that is pretty much it. That's pretty much all you have to do to install Nadeko. Now, what you want to do is check if the commands, or like if the music module actually works. So if you can actually play music. So we'll go in the VC over here. We will turn off our own music. Oh, I said turn off. Okay. We'll go and choose a song. Give me a second here. Let me find a song to use here. One more moment. Okay. When you will have chosen your song of choice and you are in the VC, what you want to do is do play with. That's not the link. Christ. This is why I hate Google. This link instead. There we go. You see the bot working here. And there it goes. Turn down the volume on that bad boy. And as we can hear, it is playing. All right, and that is, that is pretty much it. That is pretty much all you have to do to install Nadeko. If the bot does not work in some way or for some reason for you, I highly suggest going into the Nadeko Discord, where people will be able to help you. In here, you will be able to find people in this channel, in the help channel. Use the help channel. The channel that says help on it, use this one. This is where you ask questions. Okay? Don't go in chat. Chat is for chatting. Help is for asking for help. So, in here, you will ask anything you need about the bot, and people will be able to answer you. Nobody's saying hi. That's pretty sad. Sad server. Anyway. Again, that is pretty much it. That is pretty much all you have to do to install Nadeko. So, that is it for me. As I said, if you have any questions, please join the Discord. And I would say, I want to say don't leave a comment because I forgot everything about the bot at this point. But if you have an issue, please either join the server or leave a comment if you want. For everything else, the guide will be linked below. The invite link for the server will be linked below. Again, if you have any questions, please join the Discord, go in the help channel, ask for help. And please be patient, because people may be busy. So, yeah, that is pretty much it from me. This has been another Nadeko tutorial. Way much shorter and easier than the previous one, but with good reason, because the bot is way much easier to install now than it was before. All right. That being said, that is pretty much it for today. Oh God, sorry. In the description, obviously, shameless plug. I'll have my Twitch linked if you want to go follow me there. I don't have a schedule for when to stream, but I do try my best to stream whenever I can. So yeah, once again, everything will be in the description. If you have any questions, join the Discord, hit up the help channel, ask questions. If nobody answers you, please wait for a while. People are busy. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. All right, I will see you all in 3 more years when I will make another tutorial in 3 years. That was it. See you in the next one. Maybe. I don't know. Bye-bye.